We're all looking for the mastermind, the most guilty.
That will come at some point.
Is everybody looking for the mastermind?
Of
Parang
course.
kayo lang.
I think everybody should be looking. Should be
They
looking.
should be,
We're
but it
supposed to be
doesn't
looking
appear
at
to
the
be so.
mastermind.
The Senate started
By the
off
way,
on the
this is
right
just
foot.
according to Justice Andy Reyes. This is just the first interim report nila on the filing. So, but let's just take it as it is right now. So, how do you think? Is this a good beginning? This is the start of the many charges.
It's a good beginning. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na huwag nating habulin ang mga sapsap. Ang palagi kong sinasabi, yung mga butete, yung mga dilis, okay lang yun. But let us not forget yung malalaking isda sapagkat sila talaga ang promotor ng pagnanakaw ng pera ng bayan.
May tanong po ako sa inyo, mauhupa ba ang galit ng taong bayan pansamantala kung nakasuhan si Senator Joel at si Jinggoy? Kasi ang sabi nila, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang investigasyon. So, do you think this will quiet down the public wrath for? I think this is just temporary, but ano po ang tingin ninyo?
I don't know kung mapapacify natin o mauhupa ang ano ng tao sapagkat ang nakikita nila pagka mga congressmen ang dapat na sumalang sa investigasyon. Lahat ginagawa para pagtakpan sila. I will start with the 17 initial congressmen identified by the Discayas. And then, let me go back to the 67 contractors, congressmen intimated by Senator Ping.
Contractors, you mean?
Sinabi niya, I have a list of 67 contractors.
Dami.
Hindi mo kayo nagtataka bakit isa man lang wala siyang tawagan? What about the 17? Kaya nga gusto kong malaman, kung tatawagin niya si Martin Romualdez, make him appear before the committee. Para makapagtanong naman kami.
Sana hindi closed door na.
Wala closed door yan.
Lalo magagaling ang taong bayan kung i-close door.
Yung ICI, kaya siguro hindi masyadong naniniwala ang tao dyan because hindi alam ng tao eh. Ang tao, interesado sila. Why? This is their money.
Correct.
Alam mo yun, sabi ko nga hanggang ngayon naghahanap ako kung paano yung sasagot ko sa kanila eh. I hope I can bend the law. Why? Sabi nila, Senator, tulungan mo naman kami. Kami kahit na ganito kami kahirap, pinipilit namin magbayad ng buwis. Ganito pala nga niyan, kinapuntahan ng buwis namin. Pwede bang ilaban mo naman kami para wag naman kaming magbayad ng buwis kahit sa 2026 lang? What am I supposed to tell them?
Agreed, sir.
But
If I can bend the law, I will ask the BIR.
Pero alam niyo ho, mukhang nangyayari na because I understand from the reports of the Finance Department, the collection has gone down because primarily the people are so frustrated.
Hindi natin madi-discount yan kasi galit ka yung tao eh. But if I want the people, I want to please them. Pwede ko bang i-bend man lang ang batas? Kahit konti lang para mapagbigyan ko ito. Kasi nga, yung kanilang sentimiento, Attorney Edwin, Attorney Trixie, valid eh. Pera nila ito eh. Nagsikap sila. Luha, dugo ang kanilang ginugol dito. Pagkatapos makikita nilang ganun lang palang kapupuntahan.
Correct.
Masama pa ekonomiya. Masakit yung pagbayad ng buwis.
This is a valid expression of anger because of what we've seen right now po eh. So talagang everybody is mad at that's why yung mantra, yung chant ngayon, ikulong na yan, mga kurakot eh.